Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's Video Resource Library. In today's session, we're going to learn how to download and install the LiAM program from our website to your workstation. Let's start by opening up a browser and navigating to the simplysolve.com website. Once there, select Download. Read through our disclaimer and understand our requirements. You must have at least Windows 8 and Access 2013 to use the LiAM application. However, we do recommend for security purposes that you use the latest versions of Microsoft Windows and Access. Now, LiAM comes in two parts. LiAM Server contains all of the data and is the common repository and connection point for all of the clients. Your users will install the clients on their workstation and then all connect to the same server. So let's go ahead and download the LiAM Server. Click it. And with the Chrome browser, you'll notice in the lower left the file downloads. Firefox and Internet Explorer may have slightly different download processes, but the end result is you want to copy this file to your workstation. So I select it, and then I open it, and then I will drag it over to my workstation. I'll repeat the same thing for the client. Now you'll notice there's two versions of the client. One is 32-bit and one is 64-bit. Most users will have the 32-bit version of Access, so we'll focus on that. However, if you try 32 and it doesn't work, come back and use the 64-bit version. So let's click on the 32-bit version, then we'll select it, we'll open it, and we'll copy it to our desktop. Alright, once we have those two files, we'll go ahead and close our browser. Now, to simulate a network environment, which most of our users will be a part of, we're going to drag our server to a network share. This is going to be a common place that everyone will have access to. It's important to note that all of the users that are going to be accessing LiAM Server must have read and write permissions to the network folder that you move LiAM Server to. Alright, now that we have it moved to our server, we're going to double-click the client. When the client opens, you'll be presented with a welcome screen. Now, you can click here to connect your client to the LiAM server. Now we're going to navigate to the location of our server, which in this case is our simulated network folder, with the LiAM server folder to the LiAM server database. When you find the LiAM server database, go ahead and double click it. At this point, LiAM client will connect to LiAM server and provide you with an end user license agreement to review. It discusses the terms and conditions for using our program. Once you've read through that, go ahead and select I agree. Next, you'll be asked to create an account. Now there's two ways to log into the LiAM program. The preferred way is to use our network authenticated login name. However, if you're not part of a network, you can select manual and enter a password, a recovery question, and a recovery answer. We're going to focus on the network mode of logging in and creating accounts. So switch back to network and select create. At this point, you'll be presented with the LiAM home page. The LiAM homepage is a good portal of information for your application. It will go ahead and present to you the license, condition of your license, when it expires. It gives you a user panel, an admin panel, a messaging center, and a dashboard. It also tells you the status of your connection and your client versions and server paths. We cover all of this information in our general tour, which is available by clicking on our video resource library. We also have modules that tell you how to activate and upgrade your subscription. So this completes the session on downloading and installing the LiAM application. If you have any questions or you need assistance, feel free to visit us at trackitwithliam.com and go to our contact support page.